The memory card, the RAM, random access memory, and then the CMOS battery. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, William, you are using the anti-static wrist wrap, right? This one is anti-static wrist wrap. So it's okay now. And then next, okay. So next is removing the RAM. Yes, random access memory or memory card. Like that's this one. Yeah, this one like that. Okay. So many gigs this one. So per gigabyte, okay? Per gigabyte. So same like that. Okay, just hold. No, don't touch that terminal. This one like this. Okay. Yeah. That is the proper handling of our memory card because of the static. That's why we use anti-static wrist wrap, and then we will make sure also that we will touch this one, no, at both side. Okay. Not the terminal and then not the components also. Okay, so next. So anong next natin? Okay, next, this is the CMOS battery, right? The memory card, the RAM, random access memory, and then the CMOS battery. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor, no? RAM, random access memory. Then paano natin ito matitest? Pasuyo po ako, no? Kuha ko ng multitester doon. BUM. We will test the voltage of this CMOS battery. So toolkeeper, pakuha ko po ako ng ano. So this is our multitester BUM, volt ohm milliammeter, the analog multitester that we discussed in our online learning. Okay, so next, so we'll use this one to remove the CMOS battery. So ikaw na, William, no? The test probe. Okay, just remove the battery because we have a lock here, no? So you will push this one outside. Okay, outside. This one, like that. Do you understand this one? So kita ba sa video? So you will push this one, okay? This one.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So iba-iba kasi yung ano natin, CMOS battery, no? Kaya kailangan i-check nyo din na may lock, no? May lock siya. So yes, you will remove that. And then we will test now the 3 volts DC if it's discharged or
Just the 2 wire.
or is still good. Okay, so this is the DC, right? Volt DC.
Volt DC.
Okay, so what range we need to select?
DC volt.
Yeah. Okay, 3 volts DC. So what is the good range?
We see the voltage in.
Okay, there is a 3 volts, right?
What's the 3 volts?
There is no 3 volts written.
Meron. That's the STD.
Nothing.
Oh, wala sir.
Okay, but the standard voltage of the
3.
CMOS battery is 3 volts DC, okay? And then you will put the 10 volts, so make sure it will click like that, no? Something sounds click, okay? Okay, so next, and then you will look the negative and positive. So this is the 3 volts, right? You will also be careful with this, the value of this voltmeter scale, okay? So what is the range? If your range is 10, so you will look that 10, number 10 here, no? 10, 50 to 50. So this is the 10. You will choose 10, right? Okay. And then, so 100% sure this is the 8 volts, 6 volts, and then 4 volts. Okay. So you see, okay. And then, so we will use the black lines, the major lines and the minor lines. Okay, so this is the black lines, not this one. This is the red line. So the red lines is for AC, and then black lines is for DC, right? Okay, so yun. Okay, so next, if you are sure with your meter scale, then now you will find the negative and positive. So the positive is this one, okay? So the upper side is the positive, and then the okay,
The other side.
okay, the other side is the negative, okay? So you can touch, William, and then look for this meter scale. So you can touch that, so this is a very low power, low voltage. So you can like that, no, put your hand here. So just 3 volts, it's very small, okay? So how to test? Okay, ako nga, wakan mo ako. Try natin. So how to test? Okay, so ganito na lang pag-test, no? Ganito ang gagawin kung mag-test kayo, ganyan lang. Simple lang, no? Ganun lang. So ilang volts po yun?
Ulitin niyo, sir.
Ilang volts yan?
3.
3.
Ilan?
3, sir.
Lapit mo sa camera yung
2
ano.
points pa, 2 point something.
Ilang volts yan? Ilang volts per division kapag 10? Pag 10 naman ay, di ba, 10 natin ay ilang volts per division? Kung ito yung 50 lines, divide ano?
10 divide 50.
Hindi, 10 divide 50. No? Kasi nga, 10 yung ating range sa scale, no?
10 divide 50.
So, ilang volts yun? Pag 10 divide 50,
0.5.
0.2. Tama ba? 0.2, no? Tama ba?
Sir, kausapin ko ng calculator, sir.
10 divide 50, ilan?
0.2.
0.2 nga, sir.
0.2.
Alalim lang. Alalim ni ano ni Ilo. Alam mo rin siya. So, ilan yon?
0.2.
So, ibig sabihin, ilan kung volts yan? Kung this is the the lines you will use, the black line. So, this is 2, right? 2 volts DC. This is the 4 volts DC, right? Okay? So, ilang volts po yun? So, the middle is 3 volts DC, right? Okay? So, 3 volts DC. Okay? So, how many lines? After 2.
2.8, sir.
2.3.
After 2 is possible 3 lines.
3 lang.
So if that is 3 lines, 3 times 0.2 is
2.6.
0.6.